Well, if there's one thing that I'm gonna have to get used to, is for the time being, we're gonna have to be looking at this car when we open up the garage. Anyways, welcome back to the vlog, guys. It's your boy Lance. Welcome back to the channel. If you guys have not subscribed to my channel, I'm Lance. I'm from Hawaii. The dream is just to build cool cars and have fun with them. So if you guys haven't done so yet, please make sure you guys subscribe to my channel. But today we're gonna be having, I guess, how do I call it? A daily vlog, so to say. I don't really have much planned for today's vlog. I am going to be taking the Z out, but I also have something else that I needed to take care of, and it's been a long time coming. And what I mean by long time coming, something that I've been holding off longer than getting the Z, longer than getting the GTR done. Let me just put it this way, that I am way overdue for a haircut, and well, I haven't shaved in a while. If you guys been following me along, you guys know that I've been growing my hair ever since basically the start of this channel, or like the start of the Widebody project. From what I thought it was gonna be like a 3 to 6 month project, ended up being something way even longer. Little did I know that we were gonna have a pandemic. Little did I know that I was gonna temporarily lose my job, and so much stuff happening. Just sourcing parts and just shipping was just a train wreck. Everything was delayed, and here I am from what I thought it was gonna take from 3 to 6 months to build the GTR. It's been about, I want to say, like 18 months. So this hair today is getting chopped off. I've said it, guys, this hair is getting chopped off. The GTR, we laid paint down probably a few days ago already, so to me the car is done. I'm gonna call it right there. The car is pretty much done. There's some stuff that we do have to take care of, but for the most part we laid paint and the GTR is done. Now, if you guys haven't checked out the review for the 370Z, I am gonna put a link up here in the corner, so make sure you guys go and check it out. Like, just how everything came to be with this car, I still trip to this day, and just how everything lined up, and the opportunity to get the Z was unfreaking believable. I don't know, should we change out the wheels, do the exhaust? I don't know what we should do yet. I'm just gonna take my time with it, and this car has been very well to me. Small stuff I do have to fix, and yeah, minor health problem is causing me as well. We'll get into all of that later. For simple mods though, I've seen some people, you know, they trick out the headlights. I don't know if I want to touch the OEM headlights. Maybe I might get aftermarket or replacement OEM headlights and then trick it out. And same thing for the rear. I noticed a lot of people change out their rear tail lights as well, but I mean, they look nice already. I don't know if I want to touch anything yet with this car, because I don't know how many times I'm gonna say this, but to me it just looks so clean, bone stock. If you guys are watching this video right now, let me just say something about the 370Z that I did not record because I was just a little too ashamed. But we were stopped on the side of the road the other night. Like, it was quite embarrassing, but at the same time it was more so my fault. I'm gonna explain that in the next vlog to come. But oh man, me and Rhea were supposed to go out that night, and then I ended up having to call Aaron to save my life again. But other than that small mishap with the 370Z, the car's been pretty well. Here's another interesting story. So this gas station right here, for as long as I've grown up in Hawaii, like, this gas station, I swear it keeps changing. For once it was 76, and then it changed to, I think, Hele, and it used to be Aloha gas station. Out of all the gas stations in Hawaii, that's probably the only one that I know that's changed names like 3 or 4 times. Originally wanted to go to like a really nice barber place, but again, it's just very sentimental stuff right now. There used to be 2 places that I would come in here. One used to be in Kalihi in Camp Shopping Center, and the other one is here in Waipahu at First Hair Cuttery. I've always went to either those 2 growing up before, you know, like my friends became barbers and stuff. So again, doing something a little nostalgic. We got the dream Nissan Z, something that I've been dreaming of as a kid. We got a crazy sick GTR build that I've never thought in my wildest dreams. From a kid growing up in Kalihi, like, I've never thought in my wildest dreams that I'd be doing this at this age, at this time, or just ever. So I feel like, you know, this is the time to just really do something where it just takes me home, if that makes sense. I'll be right back. And here we go. Woo! This car is due for an exhaust. What is going on? Feels good. If there's one thing that I'm already loving is the fact that I can have the windows down and I don't feel any hair flinging in my eyes. Like, oh my goodness, it's good to be back with short hair, guys. Woo! Having long hair was fun. You know, I haven't had long hair since, I don't know, the 5th grade. But man, it feels so good to have less weight on my head. Now let's see if we can give this a nice little pull. Shift with the left hand. Oh my god, man. Okay, I gotta find a way to do this. I don't know how am I gonna figure this out. Now if there's one thing that I have to change or fix is this gas cap tether. Like, I don't know where to store it, but let's just store it in there for now. For a quick second, I almost forgot where I put the gas cap. Now we're fueled, and I gotta go to work. Man, one day, guys, and I'm just channeling this again. Hopefully one day we can stop going to work. Oh, and my microphone just fell off. Okay, hold on. All right, what was I saying? Oh yeah, one day, guys, hopefully one day we can just do this full time and just create cool automotive videos. But for right now, your boys gotta go to work. Also, if you guys haven't done yet, please make sure you guys subscribe to the channel. Drop a like for today's video as this Toyota Corolla passes by and while I shift very horribly. But if you guys could do me a favor, also drop it down in the comments. I was thinking about it, and you know, after seeing the new Nissan Z come out, like that blue, guys, in that Z, oh my gosh, the new Z in that blue is so beautiful. And I've been thinking, what if I were to wrap the car or wrap the 370 Nismo blue? Hypothetically speaking, don't tempt me, but if we were to wrap it, what color would you guys want to see it? Comment down below. Alright, hear me out. But what if we get the big shift knob, like the big crystal one? You know, the ones that everybody gets like when they first buy their car. I was just thinking about it on the way to work and I was like, ooh, this might piss off a lot of people, but I might want to do it. Now look what we got here. We got a nice white C8 Corvette. I don't know how I feel about the wing though. It's a 4-post instead of a 2-post. That's quite interesting, and that's the first time I've seen one like that. Well, here's the time of my day where I have to do because I gotta get the bills paid. But anyways, I'm gonna go to work and I'll pick up the camera as soon as I'm done. Well, we're back home, guys. Work was not that bad. I actually thought I was gonna get home a little bit later, but if you guys have been watching to the end of this vlog, thank you guys for following along in today's like daily vlog, in the life, whatever you want to call it. I guess I might as well use this time for you know, just for me to connect with you guys. And you know, you guys are probably wondering like, how in the world, or for anyone that's interested, I guess, how in the world am I able to do the GTR Widebody project and to have the 370Z Nismo? I'm gonna just start off by saying that money is money. However you make your money, whatever job you have, you know, it's just how you want things to be. And I guess, how do I say this? I work like 6 days a week. Always been working 6 days a week for ever since what, high school. For what I make, for the amount of time that I spend at work, honestly, I'm very blessed to have, you know, a decent income. And cars is just something that I've been really so fond about, like ever since I was a kid. You know, like everybody else, I'm sure everybody liked playing the car games, car video games, you know, whatever type of car movies, like everything. I just love everything about cars, and more so like just the community that it creates. I know there's the bad apples and all that, but really what I value the most with cars, and if it wasn't for me picking up certain cars, I wouldn't have met so many just so many great people, and they kind of in a way open my eyes to certain things, and just connecting with people. That's why I really want to revive Island Rides with the 370Z, is because I really want to just connect with people, just to have a commonality of cars and stuff like that. But I feel like I'm going on a tangent. But anyways, I personally just took a leap of faith with just cars. I always took a leap of faith with cars. Like at the very beginning of the pandemic, I was like so against TikTok. I was like, it's just so irritating. And then now that I can kind of channel like TikTok, Instagram, YouTube, all that stuff in creating automotive content, and it's something that I just like to do. You know, I work at nights, so you know, daytime is free, and now I can use that time to just make content with automotive. And even though it's gonna be a long journey, you know, it's just something that I feel like that's my guiding light, you know? Like it's something where I don't really see where the end goal is, but it's something that I know that it's like, how do I say this? It's like this weird innate feeling in me where it's like driving me to do something that I really never thought of I was gonna do. And I guess what I'm getting into is, you know, you gotta take a chance with something, guys. Like I got my degree, you know, I did my education, all that kind of stuff. If I were to go the conventional route, I would have went back to school, got my doctorate in physical therapy, and then get licensed to be a massage therapist as well, probably open up my own practice. And then I would have just, you know, just had that kind of a life. But knowing the fact that I can do something to where I literally, like, I can just, like, every time I can think of an idea, I'll write it down, and I'm like, okay, now let's go execute. And this, the creativity of automotive is what drives me nuts. Like nuts in a good way though. Like it's just something to where I'm just like, yo, there's so much things that I can do with this, like so much content I can create. And it's something that it's just naturally fun, you know, like, yeah, you know, I could be helping people, you know, in the healthcare field, all that kind of stuff. If none of this works out, I'm cool with it. I could honestly just keep the cars and go back to school and just have, you know, the normal life. But to me, the biggest leap of faith was just pursuing and creating automotive content. So I'm just gonna end the video by saying that if you guys are young, or if you guys feel like, not even if you're young, if you guys are stuck and you guys feel like there's something that you really, really wanted to do, take the leap of faith. I currently already jumped off the cliff of that leap of faith, and I'm just waiting for the wings to open. And it's not gonna happen in that fast of an instant. And I get that. It's gonna take some time. And I hope you guys follow along in this journey. And it's something that hopefully, you know, through this channel, we can kind of create that community of just, you know, just being driven. That's why I have the brand Definitive, and I know I'm lacking on all the merch and stuff, but it's another side project that's gonna stem off of automotive content, which is a lifestyle brand, which is Definitive, and the motto is to stay driven and challenge your standards. So I feel like I've been on a tangent, but if you guys feel me and you guys understand where I'm coming from, then great. If I can add value or bring some sort of motivation or just that push for you guys to take a leap of faith, if it's just one person, that'll mean the world to me. Anyways, I hope you guys liked today's video. Again, smash the like button, drop a comment down below. More videos to come out, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Remember, you guys are all called to be great. Be great in your own way. Stay driven, and always to remember, challenge your standards.